Ready? 5 seconds. Start. Communal politics around the Tablighi Jamaat has been intensifying ever since this little known organization was in the spotlight after dozens of people who attended a religious congregation the group held at its headquarters in Delhi in March tested positive for COVID 19. For a nuanced perspective on this polarizing issue, it is imperative to make a conscious attempt to read the history of this particular trend within Islam. The attacks on the group by the right wing have gone as far as equating it to a case of health terror and even urging the government to proscribe it. This impassioned suggestion is quite misplaced, while at the same time dangerous, as it is likely to instill fear among a section of those who follow Tablighi Islam. This peripatetic group of preachers look at faith renewal and bringing back non-practicing Muslims to the fold of true Islam. Looking at their conduct suggests that while the rest of the world was getting to know about the novel coronavirus outbreak in the December 2019, the apolitical Tablighis who consciously distance themselves from worldly affairs had already acquired and spread the virus among fellow travelers who were returning home after days and months of global spiritual patrolling. While the Tabligh is responsible for not taking timely action in dispersing the gathering at the Nizamuddin Markaz, which is the global headquarters of the movement, the lack of care by the state in underplaying the threat of the novel coronavirus and the delay in initiating testing cannot be ignored. By this time, the Tablighis had traveled across the world, becoming one of the major carriers of the virus in India. The reaction of hate in both reductive and demagogic, the polemical narrative that is infused with Islamophobia is based on unfounded fears and deep-seated prejudices. The political lexicon that has evolved around the Muslim minority within a right-wing stream operates on the presumption of their authorness, which includes stereotypical attitudes towards their it habits. As the spread of the virus turns communal, it is important to take a cursory glance at history. History as lessons for all. The Tablighi Jamaat, a transnational Islamic revivalist movement, was founded in early 1926 British India by Maulana Muhammad Ilyas Kandhlawi and spread by Ashraf Ali Thanavi, the two patriarchs of movement. The political vicissitudes of 19th and 20th century India had a tremendous social, political, and psychological impact on Muslims of the country, which led to vigorous religious expression facilitated by the British. The 19th century was the period when a variety of new influential as well as controversial religious reform movements, both Hindu and Muslim, were emerging within India with a desire to rediscover their lost glory. In the search for this lost glory and a sense of belonging and identity, the Tablighi emerged as a response to the Christian missionary and the Shuddhi Sangathan. There exist interconnected social and political patterns that led to the formation of the Tabligh, with its original focus on detracted Muslims and later evolving into a proselyting groups through it emerged in an intensively political context. The Tablighi maintained an apolitical demeanor, specifically in India. There are lessons for the paranoid mind. Tabligh lays emphasis on individual social reform and revocation of the political. This clearly means that the Tabligh does not directly hanker after state power. It has adopted a bottom-up approach to Islamize society and claimed a complete disengagement on issues that involved politics. Since the Tabligh is about the withdrawal from the political, it does not emerge as a security threat.